5 ways that I use AI to automate my life as a senior developer. Now, the first major way I use AI is to write prompts rather than writing code. I write a very detailed prompt on exactly what I want, and I pass data into an LLM and have it kind of act like that code. The next way that I use AI to automate my life is to generate sample data and do basic testing. So what I always do now is I just take whatever schema I need. So maybe it's a GraphQL schema, maybe I have a TypeScript type I want it to confine to, whatever it is, I just give that to an LLM, generates all of those records. I can copy and paste them, or I can write a little code snippet to do it for me. Saves me so much time, and a lot of times the data that generates is significantly more creative and better than I would be able to do on my own. The next way that I've been using AI a lot recently is actually to format requests. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll just go to an LLM and I'll just say, hey, I want to send a request to this API endpoint with some sample data like this. Can you format the request for me using curl? Boom, it does that. Sometimes I want to do this in a language like Python or JavaScript. I need like a function that can send the request or maybe get some data out. Same thing, I just use the AI to do that. The next thing that I love using AI for is to understand code. What I often do now is I just take that code, copy it into an LLM, or I use some AI integration in my editor, and I just ask it to summarize what that code is doing. The last major thing that I use AI for all the time is the boilerplate code and projects. I know how to write a detailed enough prompt to an LLM to give me at least a very similar type of code that I'm looking for, which I can then tweak very slightly and save myself a significant amount of time.